Bitcoin. You've heard the name, but what is it, really? Is it the money of the future, or just a tech fad? In this video, we'll explain what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it's one of the most talked about innovations of our time. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is a groundbreaking digital currency that was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous creator, or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It's different from traditional money because it's completely decentralized. That means no banks, no governments, and no middlemen control it. Instead, Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, a system that keeps transactions secure, transparent, and efficient. Think of it as money designed for the internet age. So, how does it all work? The blockchain is like a giant digital ledger, recording every Bitcoin transaction ever made. But unlike a traditional ledger, it's not stored in one place. Instead, it's shared across thousands of computers around the world. When you send Bitcoin, your transaction is sent to this network, where computers, called miners, work to verify it. They solve complex mathematical puzzles to ensure that your transaction is legitimate. Once verified, your transaction is grouped with others into a block. This block is then added to the blockchain, creating a permanent and unchangeable record. Bitcoin stands out for several reasons. First, it's limited. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is why some people call it digital gold. Unlike traditional money, it can't be printed endlessly. Second, it's decentralized. Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or institution, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. And thanks to blockchain technology, every transaction is transparent and nearly impossible to tamper with. So, what can you actually do with Bitcoin? You can use it to pay for goods and services at businesses that accept it. You can send money overseas faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers. Or, you can invest in it, hoping its value will rise over time. Many see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, a safe place to store wealth in an uncertain world. That's why it's often called the digital gold of our time. Bitcoin isn't just a currency, it's a global movement, reshaping how we think about money, value, and financial freedom. Are you ready to join the revolution? Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and insightful. What did you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to Instruction Expert for more content like this. Once again, thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.